Good morning. Today we're going to talk around the concept of the daily grind. So the daily grind is defined as the routine or the task of daily work or the mechanically performed activities that we kind of do day in and day out. And yes, I agree with you, they can be boring and mundane, but they can also serve a great purpose in our lives. So to take a step back, I quickly just want to ask you one question. What are 3 things that you want to achieve by the end of 2020? So what are 3 things that you want to achieve this year? And just go ahead and write those 3 things down. So creating routine is a systematic and a progressive process that requires trial and error and then learning and growth. It's not something that you automatically are very good at. So how do we actually create a daily grind? And I'm going to take you through a 4-step process that really starts with goals and then is systematically broken down into finer parts called habits. So here we go. Step 1 is identifying 3 things that you want to achieve by the end of this lockdown. So go ahead and write down just any 3 things that you want to achieve by the end of this lockdown. And then take a step back and see if those 3 things align to and take you a step forward to the 3 things that you want to achieve by the end of 2020. Step 2 is understanding what do you actually need to do that would give you the best opportunity to achieve your goals. So what do you actually need to do in order to achieve your goals? And go ahead and write down 5 to 10 things that you actually need to do, and some of them will overlap. And then step 3 is we want to build a weekly schedule off the list of things that we previously made. So as an example, if my one goal is that I want to be fitter by the end of lockdown, then one of the things that I actually need to do is some form of cardio work. So let's just say I'll go running. So I understand when it comes to building my weekly schedule that I probably need to run 3 to 4 times a week to get fitter. So in my weekly schedule on Monday, I then put running. Wednesday, Thursday and Saturday, I actually run. So your weekly schedule is around what do I need to do Monday through to Sunday based on the 10 things that I need to actually do. And this is really around building your plan to success. If we then take it one step lower, step 4 is around creating your daily grind. So we know what we want to achieve in the week. We now want to break it down to what do you actually want to achieve in a day. And this is your platform to create your daily habits. So we want to form a small list of things that you can simply tick off that you achieve in that day, all building up to your weekly schedule, and the weekly schedule builds up to what do you actually want to achieve. Because successful performance in any part of our life is dependent on our ability to live a particular lifestyle. And that lifestyle is created by our daily grind. So routine is created by discipline to our daily habits, our daily plan, and our weekly schedule. And then the foundation of our daily habits is actually the goal that we want to achieve. Because motivation is fickle, but commitment and discipline to a goal that we want to achieve, well, that's a whole lot more concrete. So we want to keep this process as simple as possible in our step 1 to our step 4, understanding that one thing that becomes a habit can have a massive impact on our lives. So get out there and get to your daily grind.